Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix trackpad is not scrolling on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook, and this is what you'll have in front of you. So a lot of applications that you have, but now let's see how you can actually go and fix trackpad is not scrolling on MacBook. So for this, first of all, you need to go to the settings. So settings is the gear icon that you have on your, of course, in your applications, or if you cannot find it, you can click on F4 and then type in settings there, and here you'll have your system settings, as you can of course see. Now click on system settings, and here you have a ton of things, as you can see: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, battery, etc. But you need to go and scroll down and find the trackpad. Here we have keyboard, mouse, trackpad, and printers. Click on trackpad, and here we have, as you can see, point and click, trackpad speed. We have click. Do you want it light, medium, or firm? Force click and haptic feedback, lock up, and the data, of course, data detectors. Secondary click with 2 fingers, and we have tap to click. So those are the ones that you have. For scroll and zoom, here we have natural scrolling, zoom in or zoom out, which of course, if you don't have it, you'll have to put it here. So there you can of course enable all of things if they are missing. Also, you can go and restart your MacBook. So a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. This is always the option to solve some problems. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, until next time, as always, bye guys.